So here I have the POP 4. This would be the beta. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of it. It just came a few minutes ago. Only thing I did is open up the outer box. So we'll just unbox it together. I will say the box is pretty small. Comes in the nice Revopoint branded case. It's a soft case, it's not a hard case. This most likely be the calibration board. Which the board is also on the smaller side, so that makes everything really great for travel. Your documentation and pack of markers. You have the mini portable turntable. It's USB-C. This is the battery grip. It says that it is 2,900 milliamps. Turntable cable. Scanner cable. This is the cable that goes from the scanner to the power grip. These will be the filter lenses, similar to the Inspire 2. These are for outside use. Got your tripod. The little feet do slide out like the old ones. This will be the scanner itself. Again, it is on the small side, which is good for portability. Go ahead and just check it against. This will be the Inspire 2 right here. I'll go ahead and get it calibrated and I'll get a scan going. See you in a bit. I've played around with the scanner for a little bit, and this was something that I thought was pretty cool. So it has AI, and you can do AI tracking. And you have your item there, so you can just start your scan. And normally you'd walk around the item or have it on a turntable, but you can actually pick it up and just rotate it. It's using the AI to track it. And as you can see, my thumb is not being scanned. Then when you finish, just go ahead and complete the scan. I'll just fuse it at what it's set to. And this is real-time fusing. The processing for this software is a little bit faster than the Metro software. And I'll just do a fast mesh. And that's really not bad. There's some spots that I missed. I wasn't aiming to get a complete model, but as you can see, that was just a couple of seconds without any type of prep done to it. So I think that the AI functions and the software are going to be pretty good. I'll go ahead and get into another scan. So this here is going to be a laser scan. It's this little piece is hard to see. It's a little piece for the car. It's on a project that I'm working on. And as you can see, laser mode is pretty quick. The frame count down here is over 100. So this right here is actually good enough for this scan, for what I need. So I'll just go ahead and stop the scan, and I can flip it and get another scan. And I am moving this turntable pretty fast, and it's keeping up just fine. Go ahead and stop the scan there. For this one, I'll do high quality since it's a small size. All of this is looking really good. I'll just go ahead and process the other one, merge everything together, and show you that model. I'll just go ahead and finish it out with scanning this transmission mount. So yeah, that's the POP 4. It's a nice little scanner. I'll try to get some larger scans later. Don't forget to sign up with the Kickstarter, link below, so you can get yours at a good discount. Even without the discount from Kickstarter, retail price, I'm pretty sure it'll still be better than anything else that's out there. Well, thank you for watching.